Alright, hello everybody, my name is Troy Harrison Chris, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to edit and export video in Premiere Pro in 5K 2880p for YouTube, the settings you want for YouTube. So the thing is, a lot of people were confused about how to edit in 5K because they're using H.264 as the encoder. You have to go to H.265 and you can do whatever resolution you want. So let me go into my sequence real quick so you guys can see my frame sizes. 5120 x 2880. That is the frame size. I have it in 60 frames per second, but I am pretty sure that YouTube only supports 5K at 30. So when you are attempting this, when you're doing your first test upload, put the frames up here to 30. Okay, here you don't have to mess with the encoder, but the real problem on YouTube right now for tutorials in 5K is exporting. So we're going to go to File, Export. If I can get to it, Media. Alright, let me get my face out of here. So if you are normal, if you are used to editing in 4K, you probably have it at H.264, which max resolution is 4096 x 2160, but it doesn't support 5K. So to do 5K, you have to use this brand new encoder HVEC or H.265, in which you can have your output match your sequence. So here we go. I had it on maximum render quality. It took so long to render this video. Let me come down here to the settings. You can see that it has it in 5K. This is not the 5K resolution. Don't mind these black bars. I put those there. The full 5K is that whole frame size, what you see. But if we scroll down here, tier, I'm not quite sure what this means, so we're going to scroll past that. There is render at maximum depth. The settings for bitrate stuff is a little bit different than H.264, so that's what I'm kind of showing you guys here. The H.264 does not have support for VBR2 pass. It only has VBR1 pass, which if you don't know what VBR1 pass is, it means it's a variable bitrate, and you can select a minimum and maximum bitrate. That's only good. I loved VBR2 pass in H.264 because you could just put them at the same bit rate, super high, way above 60. The only problem is the max bit rate in H.265 is 60. It doesn't matter if you're using VBR or CBR. So what I recommend is using CBR for this. Maximize your bit rate if you're trying to get crisp 5K, and then you have to go to highest, slowest. So maximum render quality, CBR, 60 bit rate. Advanced settings, you don't need any of those. Render at maximum depth, I would also click that. So now you have this H.264 file, but once you save it, make sure you select the spot you want to save it here, yada, yada, yada. I don't need to show you guys how to do that. But yeah, it will export in 5K. I can actually... So yeah, that's how you do it. You make sure you use that format instead of... H.264, use H.265, and you'll be able to use whatever resolution you want in this world. It's amazing. It's going to take so long to render. Use CBR. Let me show you what this looked like when it was actually done. Encoding. Can we close Premiere Pro without being so laggy? Thank you. Let me show you what this 5K video actually looked like. So yeah, this is what it ended up looking like in my super widescreen. Just to know that those black bars I put there, the full frame size would be up to here. This is 4K footage put into Premiere Pro and exported in 5K 2880p. Plays back on my computer. So remember, when you're uploading to YouTube, think about the frame rate limit. I'm pretty sure it is 30 frames per second at 2880p. So think about that, guys. Alright, if this helped you guys with Premiere Pro, leave a like, leave a dislike, leave a comment. Let me know if this helped. Please subscribe. My name is Troy Harrison Chris, and I'm out of here. Peace.